You're welcome back. This is your most authoritative news analysis show, Newsfile with me, Samson Ladi. And my take this morning, insulting the president isn't against the law. It's a question. Section 183A of Act 29 says, quote, any person who with intent to bring the president into hatred, ridicule, or contempt publishes any defamatory or insulting matter, whether by writing, print, word, or mouth, or in any other manner whatsoever concerning the president, shall be guilty of an offense, unquote. This is the law President Nana Akufo-Addo, as Attorney General in 2001, convinced Parliament to abolish, and they did by Act 602. The police, well, never mind that they seem unaware of the repeal, and in this case, don't feel they require any complaint to arrest a man known to exercise his brains only by insulting whenever there is a political debate he gets to join on radio. I doubt he gets space on radio that knows it costs a bit of money to preserve their operating license. My take today isn't about people who don't respect elders. It is about the subject matter, the legal education. But I sure do recall receiving a phone call one Monday morning in November 2016. My true caller identified the caller as Apia Stadium. He greeted by repeating the word, quote-unquote, Kwasia, and called me names and asked why I, quote, I showed my true MPP colors, unquote, in an interview with Dr. Omane Boama on Saturday. He dropped the call before I could complete a question. I later felt I should have asked the question in Chi instead. We know now that the charges he faces include the other popular incitement charge. The police just realized now that Nana Addo is president, that all those who over the years made same allegation against him were actually engaged in a criminal act, including of inciting people to riotous conduct. Yes, I must be MPP to say that some of us only got to effectively ignore the allegations, including that he is the epitome of arrogance, only when we got closer by being embedded in his 2008 campaign. You saw him early morning from workout sessions and got to work with him through to when he retired to bed late night or at dawn. The Ghanaian law is that nothing is crime, quote, unless the offense is defined and the penalty for it is prescribed in a written law, unquote. So, is it the suggestion that it is okay to insult not only the president, but anyone simply because our law doesn't criminalize speech? What surprises me, though, is that the repealed law in 2001, we did repeal it, but affirmed in 2008 that one must be punished with a fine of up to 2,400 and or go to jail for up to 3 months if he or she, quote, knowingly uses disrespectful or insulting language or insults a chief by word or conduct, unquote. Now tell me, Ghana has done away with criminal libel. Should chiefs also not be subject to institute private civil action by way of defamation suits where the circumstances warrants it? Insulting the president used to be one of the crimes against the state and was punishable by a fine of up to 9,000 and or up to 3 years in prison. The Constitution commands citizens to do a duty, quote, to promote the prestige and good name of Ghana and respect the symbols of the nation, unquote. Our president certainly represents the nation's biggest symbol, and we certainly fail in this duty to promote the prestige and good name of Ghana if we insult our presidents. It may not be written any longer as a crime, but the Constitution, which should embody our culture and tradition, abhors it. So that's my take, and as always, it's available on my joyonline.com.